Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone, I am Alice. We are so happy you are joining us today. How are you doing, David?
I am doing fantastic, Alice. Thank you. I had a wonderful morning. And speaking of mornings, today we have a very exciting topic for everyone.
Yes, we do. Today's topic is Practice English with Morning Routines, Daily Life Vocabulary in English, Easy Speaking Lesson.
This topic is so helpful because everybody has a morning routine. Every single day you do the exact same actions when you wake up.
Exactly. You wake up, you drink coffee or tea, you brush your teeth, and you get ready. If you learn to describe these actions in English, you can practice English every morning without extra effort.
Yes, you can speak to yourself while you get ready for work or school. It is a brilliant way to become fluent faster.
Before we start our morning journey together, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It flows naturally into supporting us so we can keep making these slow, clear, and encouraging lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, let us look at the very first step of every day, waking up and getting out of bed.
Waking up. Sometimes it is easy, but sometimes it is very hard.
Very true. Many beginners confuse two very important phrases, wake up and get up. Alice, can you explain the difference?
Of course, David. Wake up means you open your eyes in bed. You are no longer sleeping, but you are still lying down.
Yes. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Let us repeat that phrase slowly together. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Now, get up means you actually stand up and leave your bed.
So I can wake up at 7 o'clock, but stay in bed looking at my phone until 7:15. Then I get up at 7:15.
Yes, David, that is a very bad habit, but many people do it. So remember, wake up is opening your eyes. Get up is leaving the bed.
Let us say that key phrase together slowly. I get up at 7:15. I get up at 7:15.
Excellent. Now, what is the next step after getting out of bed? Usually, people go to the bathroom.
Yes. In the bathroom, we do two very important daily tasks, brush my teeth and wash my face.
Let's look at brush my teeth. Pay attention to the th sound at the end of teeth. Teeth. Let us repeat the full sentence slowly. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. And then to feel awake and fresh, we use cold or warm water. I wash my face. Let us repeat it. I wash my face. Some people like to take a shower in the morning. We say, I take a shower or I have a shower. Both are completely correct. Let us repeat that sentence slowly. I take a shower in the morning. I take a shower in the morning.
This table makes the vocabulary so easy to visualize, Alice.
It really does. Now, let us move to step number 2, getting dressed and preparing for the day.
After taking a shower, you need to put on your clothes. In English, we use a simple phrase, get dressed.
Yes, get dressed. You can also say, I put on my clothes.
Let us repeat both phrases slowly. First, I get dressed. I get dressed.
Second, I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes.
Alice, what about hair? What do we say for making our hair look nice?
Good question. We say, I comb my hair or I brush my hair.
If you use a comb, you say, I comb my hair. Notice that the letter B at the end of comb is completely silent. You pronounce it like comb.
Yes, silent letters are little traps in English. Let us say it correctly together. I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
Now, let us move to step number 3, breakfast and morning drinks, my favorite part of the morning.
I knew you would say that, David. What do you like to drink in the morning?
I love coffee. Every morning I say, I make a cup of coffee, or I drink coffee.
I prefer tea. I say I drink a cup of tea.
Let us repeat those two simple phrases slowly. I drink coffee. I drink tea.
What about food? The first meal of the day is called breakfast.
Listen closely to the pronunciation. Breakfast. It sounds like break, fast. Many beginners say break first, but the correct way is breakfast.
Let us repeat the full sentence. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Or you can say, I have breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast, Alice?
I usually eat toast with butter or eggs. What about you, David?
I love eating oatmeal with fruit. It gives me so much energy for our English lessons.
Oatmeal is very healthy. Now let us look at step number 4, leaving the house, starting work.
When you finish breakfast, it is time to start your day. If you work outside, you say, I leave the house, or I go to work.
Let us repeat that phrase. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I leave the house at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work? You can say, I drive to work, I take the bus, I take the train, or I walk to work.
Let us practice those 4 options slowly. Repeat after us. I drive to work. I take the bus. I take the train. I walk to work.
What if you work from home? You can simply say, I start work at 9 o'clock.
Yes, I start work at 9 o'clock. That is very simple and clear.
Now, let us move to step number 5, real-life practice dialogues. Alice and I will demonstrate how to talk about morning routines in a real conversation between friends.
Let us listen to dialogue number 1. David is asking me about my morning routine.
Good morning, Alice. You look so refreshed today. What time did you wake up this morning?
Good morning, David. I woke up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, 6:30. That is early. What did you do first?
Well, I stayed in bed for 5 minutes. Then I got up and went to the bathroom. I washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Did you drink coffee or tea today?
I made a hot cup of green tea. Then I ate some toast for breakfast and left the house at 7:45.
That sounds like a very peaceful morning routine, Alice.
Yes, when I don't rush, it is very peaceful. Now, let us listen to dialogue number 2. Alice will ask David about his morning.
David, do you have a busy morning routine?
Oh, yes. My alarm rings at 7 o'clock. I wake up immediately because my cat jumps on my bed.
Your cat is your alarm clock. That is so funny.
It really is. After my cat wakes me up, I get up and take a quick shower. Then I get dressed and go to the kitchen.
Do you eat a big breakfast? Yes, I do. I make 2 eggs, toast, and a big cup of black coffee. After breakfast, I grab my bag and walk to work.
That is a great energetic routine.
Now, let us do an interactive practice game for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, listeners, we will describe a morning action and you must guess the correct phrase in English. We will give you 3 seconds to think and say it aloud at home.
Question number 1. You are lying in bed. Your alarm rings and you open your eyes. What do you do? Alice, what is the phrase?
The answer is, I wake up.
Perfect. Question number 2. You stand near the bathroom sink with a toothbrush and toothpaste. What are you doing? What is the answer?
The answer is, I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Question number 3. You put bread in the toaster and you pour coffee into a mug. What meal are you preparing?
The answer is, I am making breakfast, or I am eating breakfast.
Fantastic job, everyone. You are doing so well today.
Now, let us move to our slow and clear repetition round. This is the moment to build muscle memory in your tongue and brain. Please repeat after us aloud.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I get up.
I get up.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I make coffee.
I make coffee.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I start my day.
I start my day.
Wonderful job. Look at how many daily phrases you practiced today.
You are making real progress. Step by step, sentence by sentence, your English is getting clearer and more natural.
Before we finish today's lesson, we want to connect with you in our comments section below.
Yes, we love reading your responses from all over the world. Today's question is, what do you drink in the morning? Coffee or tea?
Tell us in simple words in the comments. For example, I drink tea in the morning, or I drink coffee with milk.
Please remember to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video lesson with your friends and family who want to learn English.
Thank you for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Keep practicing, and we will see you in our next easy lesson.